one, thus having attained the highest position at the right hand of God, and having received from the Father the Holy Spirit which was promised, he poured it out. If we think from the Bible, what is pouring out? How can the Holy Spirit be poured out? Is the Spirit water? If the Holy Spirit is water, then in Matthew 3:16 we see that the Spirit of God descended on Jesus like a dove. Then how can we know that the Holy Spirit has been poured out on us? Because it is written in Acts the Spirit was poured out on us, but as we see that the Holy Spirit descended on us or has been poured out. How can we identify this? Let us now from the Bible. Romans 5:5. Hope does not put us to shame, because the love, the hope, the Holy Spirit has been poured out in our hearts. We can see from this verse that we can experience the outpouring of the Spirit of God through love, because as it is written in this verse, we can recognize the Holy Spirit in our lives through love. Galatians 5:22. But the fruit of the Holy Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, goodness, self-control, as it is written in the fruit of the Holy Spirit is love. If we look at a tree, we cannot recognize which tree it is. If we look at the fruit of the tree, we can recognize whether it is mango tree or a guava tree. Similarly, we can recognize the Holy Spirit by the love that is poured into our hearts from God.